वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुण्
ऋलक्
ऋलुक्
ओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लङ्
ञमाङणनम्
ञमाङणनम्
जभै
जभै
घढधष्
घढधष्
जबगडदष्
जबगडदष्
खपछठथ चटतौ
खपछठथचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अगुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लितुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमाङणनानां नासिका च
ञमानानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
ओदौ तोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
understand another one. Shri Ram Sharanam Samasta Jagatam Ramam Vinaka Gati.
Shri Ram Sharanam Samasta
Jagatam
Ramam Vinaka Gati.
Ramena Pratihanyate Kalimalam Ramaya Karyam Namaha.
Ramena Pratihanyate Kalimalam Ramaya Karyam Namaha.
Ramatrasyati Kala Bhima Bhujago Ramasya Sarvam Vashe.
Ramati Prasati Kala Mabhujago
Ramasya
Ramasya
Sarvam
Sarvam Vashe.
Rame Bhakti Rakhandita Bhavatu Me Ramatvameva Shrayaha.
Rame Bhaktira Khandita Bhavatu Me Ramatvameva Shrayaha.
Su Aujas
Su Aujas
Aushas
Aushas
Tabhyam Bis
Tabhyam Bhis
Nebhyam Bis
Nebhyam Bhis
Nasibhyam Bis
Nasibhyam Bhis
Nas Osam
Nas Os
Ni Osub
Ni Osub
Su Aujas
Su Aujas
Tiptasji
Tiptasji
Siptasta
Siptastha
Mibhasmas
Mibhasmas
Ta Atam Jha
Ta'atam Jha
Thas Atam Dum
Thas Atam Dham
It Vahi Maging
It Bahi Mahim
Ti Taha Anti
Tita Anti
Si Taha Tha
Sita
Mi Vaha Maha
Mi Baha Maha
Te Ate Ante
Te Ate Ante
Ante
Se Ate Dve
Se Ate Dve
Ye Vahe Mahe.
Ye
Vahe Mahe.
So this Latlakara, Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam Anti, you can note. Similarly, Atmanepada, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam Ye. These two pratyas you can remember because the next sutram we are going to see example with this.
Okay.
Patati Patataha Patanti. Labe Labha Vahe Labamahi. Okay, those two dhatus, you know the form. We will take that an example and we'll do it. So you can remember this. Anti, Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam, Ye Uttama Purusha Atmanepadi, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Very good. Now, this memorized 10 sutras. Samhitaya. Samhitaya. What is Samhita? What is the definition? I taught you on Shloka, remember? Not Sutra. On Shloka. Very good. Yes. Have you memorized? It's good to memorize it also. Please understand this. Please memorize this also. Samhitaika pade nitya. Nitya dhatu pasargayo. Nitya samase vakyetu. Sa vivaksham apekshate. No. 10 sutras or 9 sutras, as I told you, to just memorize. Samhitayam,
Samhitaya,
Checha,
Checha,
Ang Manghoscha,
Angmahoscha,
Dirgat,
Dirgat,
Padantadva,
Padantadva,
Iko Yanachi,
Iko Yanachi,
Echo Yava Yavaha,
Echo Yava Yavaha,
Vanto Yi Pratyaye,
Vanto Yipratyate,
Datos Tannimittasyaiva.
Dhatos Tannimittasyaiva.
Now another 10, 81 to 90. This week or maybe you can take one more week, no problem. You can memorize this portion. Kshaya Jayo Shakyarthe
Kshaya Shakyarthe,
Krayastadarte
Krayastadarte,
Vaya Pravayye Chachandasi
Bhayyaprabayye Chachandasi,
Ekaf Purva Parayogo
Ekaf Purvaparayogo,
Antadivacha
Antadivaccha,
Shatva Tukora Siddhaha
Shatvatukora Siddhaha,
Adgunaha
Adgunaha,
Vriddhirechi
Vriddhirechi,
Yet Yutsu
Etyedatjutsu,
Artascha.
Artascha.
Up to this. Okay. Now. Here let us do from Parasanikarsha Samhita
Parasannikarshya Samhita,
Aden Gunaha
Adeng Gunaha,
Vriddhiradesh
Vriddhiradej,
Samhitayam
Samhitaya,
Iko Yanachi
Iko Yanachi,
Yata Sankhyamanudesha Samanam
Yatha Sankhyamanudesha Samanam,
Yecho Yava Yavaha
Echo Yava Yavaha,
Vanto Yi Pratyaye
Vanto Yipratyate,
Ekaf Purva Parayogo
Ekaf Purvaparayogo,
Akasavarne Dirghaha
Akasavarne Dirghaha,
Adgunaha
Adgunaha,
Vriddhirechi
Vriddhirechi,
Engaf Padanta Dati
Ena Padanta Dati,
Lopashakalyasya
Lopasya Kalyasya,
Artascha
Atascha,
Upasargadriti Dhato
Upasarga Dritidhatau,
Vasupya Pishalehe
Vasubhya Vishalehe,
Engi Pararupam
Eng Pararupam,
Shakandvadishu Pararupam Bachyam
Sakandvadi Pararupam Vachyam,
Otvoshtayo Samaseva
Otushtayo Samaseva,
Yetedat Yutsu
Etyedatyutsu,
Akshaduhinyam
Akshaduhinyaupasankhyanam,
Swadire Rinoh
Swadire
Raduho Dodye Shaishyeshu
Praduhodyedyeshu,
Pravatsatara Kambala Vasanarnadashana Brane
Pravatsatara Kambala
Pravatsatara
Vasarnarnadeshana,
Kambala Vasanarna Dashana Mrine. Okay, you have to read. You have to read 3-5 times. It will come automatically. Okay. Ritecha Tritiya Samase.
Rite cha titiya samase.
Up to that we have seen. Now we are going to see today 2 sutras. Oma Angoscha Ato Gune. Oma Angoscha 6195. You see 6195. Oma Angoscha. What is Anuvritti? Oma Angoscha
Samhidayam
Pararupam. Immediately before Pararupam is there.
Eka.
Eka
Yes.
Parayoho. Pararupam is immediate sutra before that. Right?
Yes.
So the Pararupam coming as Anuvritti. Okay. Then what else? Engi Pararupam, what are the Anuvritti? The same Anuvritti will come here also.
Yes.
For Engi
At
Ad and coming as Anuvritti. Avarna. Okay. Then
Eka Purva Parayoho.
Pura Parayoho Samhitayam. Right?
Yes.
Ad is what vibhakti? Panchami.
Panchami.
Here Omangoscha, what vibhakti? You have to split. Omangoho. Cha. 2 words are there. Om and Ang. Omangoho. What vibhakti? What vachanam? Omangoho. Oho. Oho. It means what you get?
Dvivachanam.
Of what?
Of Shashti or Saptami.
Exactly. When you say Oho means you have to connect with Shashti or Saptami. Because that only O is there, right?
Yes.
Omangoho means O is Omahos and Shashti or Saptami. But here what could it be? Ad is Panchami. Therefore Omangoho will be
Saptami.
Saptami. Like what Shabda? Marut Shabda. Marutoho.
Marudo.
Right? Maruti. Marutoho. Pratipadikam is Omang. Omang. Omango. Omangaha. Omangi. Omangoho. Like that you have to decline. Right? So 7-2. Saptami Dvivachanam. Ad is Panchami. Omangoho Saptami Dvivachanam. Now you see. Om. I'm splitting that. Om. Om is a Shabda. Om means Om. Pranava. Om. That Om.
Okay.
Then Om. Not Om, sorry. This is Omang. Okay.
Okay.
Ang. Not Omang. Ang. So this is, Itreda Dvanda Samasa. Dvanda Samasa. Ramascha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmanau. You know, right?
Yes.
It's the same thing. Shashti here. Om cha, ang cha, omangau, Shashti, Saptami Dvivachanam, Marutoho, omango, om angoho, omangoho. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear? This is Dvivachanam. So it is some like this. You say, no, Ramaha. In Samasa we do. Ramaha cha, Lakshmanaha cha. What do you say? Rama, Laksh. 2 things are there. Therefore, Dvivachanam. Lakshma, now, right? 1, 2.
Yes.
Saptami Vibhakti of this Rama Lakshmana is 7-2 is Rama, Lakshma, na,
Yoho.
Yoho. That is same thing like that here also. Understand?
Yes.
Instead of Rama, here we have Om. Instead of Lakshmana, we have Ang. Om Ang becomes Om Mang Go. Saptami Vibhakti will be O Mang Go. Understand?
Yes.
It's clear. That's what 7-2. So this is 7-2. Now, Anuvritti, you see. Ad is coming as Anuvritti. Achi is coming as Anuvritti, it's okay. It's very done. It's not, we don't require that. Ad means what? Stands for?
Avarna.
Avarna. Akara or Akara, right?
Yes.
Like Rama Shabda. Rama. So A is the Pratipadikam. Stands for short vowel as well as long vowel. Of course, all the 18 forms, but for all our practical purposes, we take only Rasva and Dirgha, right? So what does it mean when Rasvakara, when Avarna, whether it is Rasva, Dirgha, whatever it is, followed by the words Om or Ang. Ang is Upasarga. Please note, okay. Ang is Upasarga, prefix. Ang is one of the prefixes. There are about 22 prefixes are the Upasargas. One is Ang. Okay. Understand? Pra,
Yes.
Upa, Para, Ava, all those are Upasarga. So, you know Upasarga, right? Prefix.
Yes.
Yes, we have seen. Okay, so what you know? In fact, we have seen before all the sutras before Upasarga only, right? Upasarga, Dhriti, Dhatu. We have seen. So, okay. So, Upasarga, that one Upasarga is Ang. So, here it says, when Avarna is followed by Om or Ang, then what will happen? Purva Paryogastane?
Vriddhi.
No.
Vriddhi bhavati.
No, Vriddhi. What is Pararupam doing there? Anurti. So, Pararupam is Anurti.
Okay.
Pararupam is, what is Pararupam? See, when Avarna is, when A or A followed by O, what will happen? Similarly, when A or A followed by Ang, what will happen? That's a question.
Okay. So
Purva Paryogastane?
the adesha will be Om or
Yes.
Ang.
So the Adesha here will be A plus A or A plus O will be O. Here the Adesha will be A or A plus A would be. Here this A, please note, the Upasarga alone will not be there. Okay. Upasarga will be with some Kriya Pada. Like Agachati, Apagachati, Anugachati. Like even Agachati if you take. Agachati. This is wrong Upasarga. Right? It goes with the Kriya Pada. Understand?
Yes.
Understand? So,
Yes.
Okay.
Therefore,
So
Avarna followed by the form of Ang. Here in this case, no problem. Agachati is the dhatu that begins with the consonant. No problem. Suppose if it is at the vowel, then what will happen? Vowel, for example, in dhatu itself you take. What is Prathama Purusha Ekavachana?
Eti.
Eti. Now, Eti, A plus A, what will happen?
This
You have to tell.
IT.
Huh?
This is we saw Vriddhi. Vriddhi will happen.
A plus Eti will be
IT.
Iti, right? So, A plus A will become I. That's what I'm saying. So, Purva Paryogastane, this A plus A will become I. So, now, Pararupam will be
I.
That's what I'm saying. Understand?
Yes, understand. So, this Nakara in the Ang Upasarga is only it letter.
It letter, yeah. To distinguish from another, okay.
Yes.
Another one is there. Don't worry about it now. Okay. This is how it will come. Is it clear?
Yes.
On to check. So we must know that this it come from A plus a T.
Exactly. You have to know. Yes. So this I is said to be enjoying the status of being an Ang. Okay. Ang Tom Asti. It is said to be enjoying the status of being an Ang. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, A plus A, what will happen? Pararupam is anyway, it is the Dirgha Sandhi. We don't need this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, with this, we'll see the example. See the sutra. Avarnat followed by the Avarna, short or long, whatever it is. Om Shabde Pare, when Om Shabda follows, Similarly, when ang shabde cha pare samhitayam vishaye shesaptami. In the context of sandhi, what will happen is in the place of preceding and succeeding, pura parayoga. Purva is avarna, para is om, okara of om, and the form of ang of the following shabda. Okay. In the place of both, ekaha pararupaha adeshaha bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
It's clear?
Why ekadeshaha and not only adeshaha?
Pararupaha, one pararupa will be okay. Pararupa adesha you can say, no problem. Pura parayoga, here this ekaha not required. Pararupaha pararupa ekadesha bhavati. A means not ekara, one adesha, because ekaha pura parayoga is there in anuvrutti, right? So ekaha you can put it here, or ekaha you can keep it here, no problem. Pararupa ekadesha bhavati, right?
Yes.
Now, meaning when om shabda and ang upasarga, ang is upasarga, okay, follows what? Follows avarna, akara or akara, then both will be replaced by the pararupam, the form of the following. Example you take, Shivaya plus om namaha. Here, a plus o, what's sandhi? Generally what you will do, a plus o? Vriddhi. So this is apavada. Very specifically, if it is om, you should not do vriddhi. Shivaya plus om namaha, Shivayom namaha. So this om, for that it is apavada. Pararupa is apavada. Understand?
Yes.
Next one, Shiva plus Egi. What is Egi? First you have to know what is Egi. That is why I gave the example there. What is Egi? Have you studied Mundaka Upanishad?
Mundaka Upanishad.
Mundaka.
Only the first chapter.
That's okay. First Mundaka itself is enough.
But Ehi, this.
Ehi, where it comes in Mundaka? Egi, tamaguchaya, sarvachasaha. What is that in the second?
It's a kind of interject.
Sorry?
Exclamation is interject.
This is not the lot lakara of.
Exactly. This is lot lakara.
In Dhatu?
Yes, in Dhatu. Egi iti tamagutaya sarvachasaha. Suryasya rashmebir yajamanam vakanti. Priyam vacham abhibadantyor chayantyaha. Yeshavah panta sukatasya loke. In Mundaka, first Mundaka, second Kanda, it comes, the mantra. That is, when they go to Swargaloka, the Devas welcome. Egi, please come. Right? Remember, in the Karma Kanda, about when that the second Kanda, first Mundaka, Karma Kanda is talked about little. So one should have vairagya for the karma. For that karma kanda is talked about. That this shloka mantra comes. Egi. Egi is lot lakara of in Dhatu.
But this Egi is not go. Please go.
Sorry?
Go.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Yes. It is Egi of in Dhatu. But what happens? See, what is in Dhatu? In meaning is go.
Go.
So,
yes.
In plus he becomes ihi.
Correct.
Ihi means go. Egi means Egi means A plus C. Come opposite of that. A plus ang upasarga. Egi will become A plus E.
Oh, I thought in this Ekavachanam, this dhatu will undergo guna.
Ekavachanam will undergo this way. Lot lakara will not go. This is a rule. Say a picture, lot lakara form, if you know, you just check later. Lot lakara, that will not happen for in dhatu.
Okay. Oh yes.
That's a rule.
Only
in the
Only
Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam
Yes.
Uttama Purusha, all, both for Parasmepadi, Atmanepadi, they will see it's happening there. Okay.
Okay, yes.
So this will not happen. Ihi only. So with ang upasarga, ihi means to go, egi means will come. So egi, right?
Understood.
A plus e will become what sandhi?
Vriddhi.
Vridhiya.
No, it's
Gunasandhi.
sorry. Guna.
Egi. That's why you get egi. Okay.
Yes.
Egi means please come. Ihi means please go. They welcome or they ask you to go. Welcome. Egi. Okay. Please
Okay.
come, please come. So that is a egi here. Oh, sorry. So therefore, 1 minute. Therefore, here this a has ang in it, right? This a has ang in it.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes, that's important. So now what will happen? Shiva plus Yagi. Now what will happen? A plus A. Don't do Vriddhi.
No, Vriddhi.
Shiva plus Yagi. If Shiva Ihi,
Okay.
you will say Vriddhi, right? Generally, what you do Vriddhi.
Correct.
But this A is not ordinary A. It has got ang in it. That you have to find out. It is indatu having ang upasargika kriyapadam, right? The kriyapadam with the upasarga. So therefore, that's why I have written here ang plus indatu. Now it is a plus ang. Ang means not only ang, the whole form of this one. A plus E is A. Now A plus A, what will happen? A plus A is Pararupam Shivehi, will get. Understand?
Correct.
Not
Yes.
Shivehi. Here it is Shivehi. Similarly, another example. Ava plus Ehi. Here with Ava plus Ehi means understand. With Ava Upasarga, it is in the meaning of understanding. Here Egi in the sense of just going. Here also A is there. Here Ava itself is Upasarga. Here Shiva is not Upasarga. Okay. Shiva plus the form of in with the Upasarga ang. Here the form of in with the Upasarga ang plus one more Upasarga ending with Ava. So the whole meaning is understand. Avagacchati ityartha. Okay. Now find meaning, leave it. A plus A, what will happen? Is it Vriddhi or Pararupam? By this sutra, Avarnath Uttarasya ang asti here, right? Ang is there. Therefore, A plus A will become A only. Avehi. Have you heard this word somewhere? Shraddha Bhakti Dhyana Yoga Avehi. Where? Have you studied Kaivalya Upanishad?
Yes.
No?
Yes, study, but not remember.
Kaivalya Upanishad, the very famous statement. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Avehi or Avehi. In some books you will see Avehi. They will give it as Guna. But the right form is Avehi. According to Sutra, it is Avehi. You cannot say right form, wrong form, because it is given in some book like that. But for Sutra, we can say Avehi. Avehi is proper. This is a Sutra applies. In fact, when we studied, we have a discussion. We, among the Brahmacharis, were discussing this, how it comes. Then we found out this is a Sutra. Taddha Bhakti. Because in Kailash Ashram books, I think in their book, for this Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Avehi, I think it is given. But in Mantra Pushpam, page number 311, in Mantra Pushpam, Avehi is given. Whereas in Kailash Ashram book, Avehi is given. So we go by Kailash Ashram, Avehi.
Okay.
In Mantra Pushpam, you see, Tasmai Sahovacha Pitamagascha Shraddha Bhakti Dhyana Yogat Avehi.
It's a mistake.
But not mistake. We can take it as, we don't know which is right. If Upanishad can say, Chandasam, we can say like that. Okay.
Correct.
But in Kailash Ashram, it is Avehi is given. Patabheda is there. So we cannot say wrong, right or wrong. Okay. Just I'm saying, if it is Avehi, we can take it as Vriddhi. If it is Avehi, we can take it as the Sutra. Okay. Patabheda is there. We can take it as Avehi or Avehi, whatever it is. So if it is Avehi, this is the reason. This is how it happens. This is a Sutra. Understand?
Yes.
It's clear? Yes. So here you have to note, don't look for A only. If A is there, it's okay. See, if going to be A, then A plus A, it's going to be Savana Dirgha Sandhi. Why should you get Pararupama, right? I think. Followed by Ang Upasarga, A plus A, what Sandhi will come? Savana Dirgha Sandhi. Then why the sutra is required? In the sutra, Ang is not required. Because he has given Ang, therefore we have to note that the form of Dhatu with the Ang Upasarga, it is there, that when preceded by Avarna, A plus A Pararupam will happen. That's a sutra. Okay, that's what sutra says. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
So this is a good example. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Avehi. Avehi we can interpret by this sutra. Avehi, suppose if it is just a Vriddhi Sandhi. That's it. A plus A, I. In Mantra Pushpa, Avehi given. So you can say it is Vriddhi. Avehi means it is not wrong. This is by this sutra. Okay. Similarly, Ava plus Aiti. What is Aiti? What is Aiti? Eti with Ang Upasarga. Indatu with Ang Upasarga. Indatu Prathama Purusha Ekavacham, Latlakara. Eti. It's all right. Eti, Edati, Utsu. That Eti. So A plus Eti means he goes. Aiti means he comes. Right? Gachati with A Upasarga, Agachati. Similarly here. So A plus I, what will happen? Pararupam Avaiti. Similarly, A plus Aimi. Aimi becomes Aimi. Ang Upasarga is there. So Avaimi. Understand?
Yes.
With Ava Upasarga, the meaning is different. Here there is no going. With Ava Upasarga, in the sense of knowing, the sense of understanding. Okay, Avagachati, Avaiti. Now, Ang Tum Asti. Iti Vibhavaniyam. So in all these places, you have to note it has got the status of being an Ang. Ang Tum Asti Iti Vibhavaniyam is should be assumed, should be considered that the following has got Ang Tvam, the status of being Ang. Okay. Is it clear?
What has to be the status of being Ang?
This one, the following one.
Okay.
That is Ang Tum Asti Iti Bhavaniyam. Following one. Don't look for where is it? The following one is as enjoy the status of being Ang. Therefore, Pararupam is applied. Okay.
Yes.
Now the next sutra. Ato Gune 6197. What is okay? What is Ato? First we have to split Ato Sandhi Vichedam Kurtva. Ataha Gune. Ataha what vibhakti? Panchami. Here Ataha, what is the Pradipadikam? At means only short vowel. And it has got one more thing. From the previous sutra, 96 you see. What is 96? Usi apadantat. The 96 Usya padantat is there. You have to split that. Okay. The previous sutra, apadantat is there. Where is apadantat? You have to split. Usi plus apadantat, Panchami. Here also is Panchami. So apadantat ataha. That akara, which is not at the end of a padam. When followed by gune. What is guna? Adeng gunaha, akara, ekara, or okara. When followed by a guna letter, a plus a plus a plus a plus o. What will happen generally? You tell me. A plus a is?
Savarna Dirgha.
A plus a is?
Dirgha.
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi.
A plus o is?
Vriddhi.
But here what will happen? If it is A is padanta akara, then what will happen? Pararupam will happen. What will happen? Pararupam. Now you see, we'll see that I'll show you the example also. Apadantat, achi coming as anurti, fine. Pararupam. Apadantat ataha, short vowel, rasvakara, at the end of that which is not a padam. Padam, padantat, na padantat. Okay, not at the end of a padam. This is also Panchami. This is also Panchami. Apadantat, akarasya, uttarasya, gune pare, gune varne pare. That is akara, ekara, okara follows. Then what will happen? Pararupam adeshaha bhavati purva parayo. That is, the sutra says a plus a will be what? A plus a will be
A.
A. A plus O will be O. So A plus A savana dirgha generally, but here this is apadanta akara. Akara not at the end of the padam. Okay. If that is so, followed by a guna letter, then pararupam will happen. Therefore, this sutra is apavada to savana dirgha sandhi. This sutra is apavada to vriddhi sandhi. Now you see. Apadanta akarat gune pare purva parayavasthane pararupaha ekadeshaha bhavati. In the context of sandhi, samhita, when apadanta akara is followed by a guna letter, both of them are replaced by a single pararupa. That is what the ekaha is. Ekaha pararupa. Now I have taken the example of patanti. That's why I asked you to, in the beginning itself. You can remember the prataya, patanti, latlakara, pratama purusha, bhaguvachana. Dhatu is what? What is dhatu? What is dhatu? Pat actually. Pat plus anti, really. Okay. It is really pat plus anti. Then what happens? When anti is a prataya. You know what sarvadhatukam, adhadhatukam and all? Don't know. Okay, I think Tinganta. Okay, I'll teach you slowly. But this is an example we can give here now. So when this paddhata belongs to first conjugation. Therefore, when you add the thing prataya, what happens? Immediately the next step is shap comes. Exactly. Shap comes, which I told you, shap will come. Shap is the gana vikarna, so that will come. Then next step, if you know this step will be useful, later also will be highly helpful. That is
Patam plus anti.
This pat is the anga. The pat is the anga for shap. It means first if shap, if it can do anything to pat, it will do. And the whole thing will be one now. And anti, if it can do anything on this, it will do. Okay. So it's something like that. We will see later what is it anga and all. Anga is a technical term. Anga is part. So this is a anga with regard to shap, and pat plus shap is the anga with regard to anti. So you know what anga really means? That which precedes a pratyaya, in simple words. This is also pratyaya. This is also pratyaya. This is dhatu. So that which precedes a pratyaya, shap, is pat. So pat is the anga. And what is the anga for anti? Anti the pratyaya, pat plus shap. So how do you resolve in mathematics the equation? Plus, minus, division, multiplication will be there, right? It has an order. Similarly, here also we have an order. The inner one should be resolved first. Over that, the outer one will do some operation if it can do. Inner one, the shap can, if it can do any operation on pat, it will do. Otherwise, simply join. Here it is no operation. The content of shap is only a. Therefore, pat plus a is pata. So pata plus anti. Anti also cannot do anything on pata. So pata plus anti you get. You see now.
But
one more step I write.
Okay.
That is pat plus content of shap is a. So pat plus a is pata. Then what we have? Pata plus Anti. Pata plus Anti, the pratyaya. Now what will happen at this situation? If you do Savan Dirgha, you will have Patanti. That is not the Rupam, right?
Correct.
Patati patataha patanti, likati likataha likanti, gachati gachataha gachanti, everywhere. Now this is what? This is the Anga with regard to the Pratyaya Anti. This is not a Padam. The whole thing is a Padam, right?
Yes.
Kriya Padam. But Patta is not a Padam. So Apadanta Akara followed by a Guna letter. Now therefore A plus A will be replaced by A only. Understand?
Yes. Correct.
Therefore you get Patanti. Otherwise you will have Patanti. It's a problem. That is where the sutra comes. Ato Gune. Apadanta is very important. This is one example. Similarly, I told you that Uttama Purusha, Ekavachana, Atmanipadi, that also we can do. Okay, let me copy paste this. The sutra is important. The sutra, like the basic sutras, what I taught you, Savana Dirgha, Ecoenergy, etc. This sutra is very important. You will find its application very widely. Okay, you have to remember this. The context comes, you have to remember this. If it is apadantakara, then it will not happen. Okay, please remember that.
Yes.
Right?
Padantakara, not have. Apadantakara, only have.
Only padantakara, okay, it will happen. Apadantakara, then savana dirgha sandhi will not happen, or vriddhi will not happen. Only pararupam only will happen. Okay. Now let us take the example. Let us take Atmanapadi. So lab dhatu. Lab plus. What is the pratyaya? A. Right?
Yes.
Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. This is also let lakara. 1 minute. Let lakara. It is, here it is Parasmay Pada. Now what we are doing is Atmani Pada. Atmani Pada, it is Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. Right?
Yes.
Okay, what is the conjugation? Which group does this dhatu belong to? Which group? First group. Therefore, what will happen?
The shap.
Shap will come. Therefore, lab plus shap plus a. Right?
Yes.
Lab plus shap plus a. Now, lab is the anga for shap. Right?
Yes.
Lab plus shap plus a. Shap cannot do anything on a lab. Those things we will see later. If it can anything, if it does, I'll tell you later. But here nothing happens in this example. Just a join. So the content of shap is after removing the ether letter, pakara is alantyamit, shakara is lashakvatadite, therefore the content. So lab plus a plus a. Lab plus a is laba. Laba plus laba plus a will become. Generally, what happens? A plus a, vriddhi.
Vriddhi.
That will not happen here. Here, what happens is laba plus a plus a. So therefore, that causes a plus a will become
only
a only. Therefore, what you have? Labe, labe, labhavahe, right?
Yes.
This is how you get.
Very nice.
Any doubt here? Any doubts? So, up to this, we have seen the sutra, list of sutras. Atogune. Atogune. The next one is Prakriti Bhavaha. I think the Prakriti Bhavaha we can do. I will explain with my Sandhi file. Sutra, I'll do it in the next class. Okay. Now this Prakriti Bhavaha.
Okay.
Let me explain that. That also selectively, I'll explain. Simple one. First, let us learn what is Prakriti Bhavaha. Now we are going to learn Pragargya Sandhi. Prakriti Bhava Sandhi otherwise. Prakriti Bhavaha means as it was originally. The same thing.
This comes under the Swara Sandhi or no?
Yes,
Okay.
this is Swara Sandhi. Prakriti Bhavaha means Swabhavena Avastitihi. Nimitte Satyapi Sandhi Karya Abhavaha Prakriti Bhavaha. Even though Nimitta is there, even though conditions are available for joining the Varna, but Sandhi, still Sandhi will not happen. Even though conditions are there, still Sandhi will not happen. That is called Prakriti Bhavaha. Situations are conducive for Samhita to happen, for Samhita Sandhi to Sandhi Karya to happen, but it will not happen. That is called Prakriti. Prakriti means original, as it was original. It will be. You remember, I always tell, you can consider for all our practical purposes, the Sandhi between short vowel and long vowel. We don't have to consider Pluta, right?
Yes.
Because when Pluta is there, Sandhi will not happen. It's a rule. Pluta Pragargya Achi Nityam, by that rule, by that sutra. Pluta Shabdebhyaha. When a word ending with a Pluta means what? What is Pluta?
This mean Pluta is 3 times. 3.
What is it? What is sutra which tells 3 times, 4 times? What is that? Ukalo Jasva Dirgha Plutaha. You have to immediately recall the sutra.
Yes.
What is Rasva? Rasva is Ekamatra. Ekamatro Bhaved Rasvaha. Trikalo Dirgha Uchyate. Trikalastu Pratogyayaha. 3 units of time. That sutra says Ukalo Jasva Dirgha Plutaha. That's we chanted, but today we didn't chant. So when a word ending with the Pluta means it must be a vowel, right? It cannot be consonant. It is 3 matras means what could be vowel followed by a vowel. Achipare sandhihina bhavati. When a Pluta shabda followed by a vowel, sandhi will not happen. Now, for example, can you read this? How do you read this?
Yajnadatta.
This is somebody are calling. Somebody is away. Hey, Yajnadatta. You have to call, right? You have to attention. Anayatu. Bring. Here, Yajnadatta Pluta plus Anayatu. Can you do Sandhi? No Sandhi will happen. That is why I said for all practical purposes, you consider only short vowel and long vowel for Sandhi. Even though if the vowel has got 18 forms, Akara, Ikara, and all I told you, remember? Why don't you consider Pluta? Sandhi will not happen. That is why we don't consider. That is why you don't give any example for that. So, this is same sutra. Pluta Pragargya Achi Nityam. Pluta, we'll see the sutra maybe in the Anuvati and all later. Pluta followed by Achi, Nityam Bhavati. Nityam means it will remain as it is, nothing happens. Swabhaven Avasati Prakriti Bhavaha Bhavati. Right?
Yes.
This
okay.
Pragrihya.
Yes, we'll see that. Don't
Okay.
You have to wait. Okay, hold your gun. Pluta is first we have seen. Second one is Pragargya. Here they have got 2 parts. One is Pluta, other one is Pragargya. Pluta only I given the example. Yajnadatta plus Anayatu. What is Pragargyam? Pragargyam is a sanya. It's a name. What is Pragargya? The Dvivachana Rupam of a Shabda. Listen to me carefully. Ending with Ikara or Ukara or Ekara. They are called Pragrigyam. Like, for example, Hari Shabda, what is Dvivachanam? Pratama Vibhakti or Dvitiya Vibhakti, whatever it is.
Hari, Harayah, Hari.
Harihi, Hari, ending with what letter? Ikara. Harihi, Hari, Arayaha, Harim, Hari, Harina. So, you see, Pratama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, the Dvivachanam ending with Ikara, right? Hari Shabda. Similarly, Guru Shabda, if you take Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, Gurum, Guru, ending with Ukara, Dvivachanam. Similarly, you take Rama Shabda, Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Ramam, Rame, ending with Ekara. Or Pala Shabda, if you take Palam, Pale, Palani. So, the Dvivachana Rupam ending with Ikara or Ukara or Ekara, that Shabda is called Pragrigyam. That Shabda is called, in Anton itself, one lesson is there, in fact. You have done Anton, right? Okay.
Yes.
Interesting. Then I will show you. Recently, I was teaching someone. So in the Anton, I was asking this, what Sandhi will happen? You can tell you have done Anton, then you should be able to tell this. Now you see this screen. Please see the screen. This is the example. I remember recently. Here, Agnistaru Avadagati. In this exercise, you will find he has done Sandhi for all the words. Okay. Here also, Sandhi is done. Agnistaru Avadagati. What is the meaning of this sentence?
The fire burned down 2 trees.
Yes. Agnihi. Here you have to do Sandhi. Avadagati burns. What? Taru. Taru means what? Taru.
Vriksha.
Taru. Taru. Ukaranta Shabda. Guru. Guru. 2 trees, right?
Yes.
Taru. Ending with U. Dirga. Followed by a vowel. Why don't you do Sandhi? En Sandhi. Yes, not done. Because of this reason. Pragrigya. Taru is Pragrigyam. The Pragrigya, when followed by a vowel, Sandhi will not happen. Understand? That is called Prakriti Bhavaha. Have you heard this Sandhi before? No.
Yes. This Sandhi, no.
I think he explains, Antoine explains, I think.
Anton must be explaining this. I don't know, not in this lesson, but this example I was recently doing. Okay. Now you can see here. Yeah, given the Prakrigam definition. Ikarantam, Ukarantam, Ekarantam, Ekarantam, Dvivachanam. Only Dvivachanam, okay. No, not Ekavachanam and all, or Bhagavachanam. Pragrigyam Bhavati. They get the Sanya, Pragrigyam. This is a sutra. Idude Dvivachanam Pragrigyam. What is here? You can see, you can split, you can understand. Idude, it means what? Eat, Oot, Yet. Then Eat plus Oot, Idut, Idut plus Yet, Idudet. Ikara, Ukara, Ekara. Understand?
Yes.
So Shabda ending with E, U, A. They get the Sanya Pragrigyam. Now, this Pragrigyam, when followed by a vowel, Nityam Sandhi, Sandhihi na bhavati. Pragrigya Sanya Shabdebhyaha Achipare Sandhihi na bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Only this much is enough for us. Further, and all it is there, but it is not required. You can see the example here. Kavi plus Yata, what Sandhi? Kavi ki Kavi. No Sandhi. In Sandhi is supposed to happen. It will not happen.
Yes.
Because Kavi is Pragrigya. Agni, Agni, Agni plus Iti. No Sandhi. Okay. Samna Dirga, no, it will not happen. Vayu plus Iti. Vayu, Iti only, no Sandhi. Because Pragrigya. Mala, Male, Male plus Atra. What Sandhi supposed to happen? Padantayeng followed by Rasvakara, Pururupa Sandhi. That will not happen. Male plus Atra is Male, Atra only. Okay. This thing are not required now. No, don't worry. And other things, Prakriti Bhavaha, is it? That also we will not see now. We will see later because it is little difficult, not much difficult, little difficult. So this Prakrigya, as a sutra, we will see it in the next class. Now, after that, we will get into Visarga Sandhi. These two sutras we will see. I will explain what it is. In fact, this is what explanation is. I'm going to put it in the same in the format. The sutra, Paracheda, Sutra, Prabheda, then Sanskrit meaning, English meaning. So anyway, it's the same thing I'm going to copy. So it is done. Right? 61125 by that sutra, Prakriti Bhavaha Bhavati. What is that? Is Pluta, you know, Prakrigam also you know. Prakrigam is a Sanya. Pluta followed by Ach, Prakrigam followed by Ach, Sandhihi na Bhavati. Simple. After this, we will see Visarga Sandhi. Visarga Sandhi, I will give some introduction and then we will see. Okay. Any doubts?
No.
Very good. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Thank
I'll
you.
send this file. You can go through this.
Okay.
Please go through the previous and all the sutra. Remember what is Rasva, Dirgha, Pluta, and Samhitayam.
Yes.
All the other whatever sutras gone before. Urandra Praha, Tapra Tatkalasya. In fact, Ukala just the first sutra. Okay.
No, yeah, this is sutra I remember, but this sutra
Ukalaha.
that does not explain, meaning
It
is only
explains, okay.
is only saying like
It says, yeah, that's what. What is Rasva? Ukalaha. Ekamatraha Rasvaha. Dimatraha Dirgha. Trimatrika.
exactly. This is the explanation. Yes.
That's we have to interpret from Ukalaha. Rooster.
Okay, understand.
Yes.
Nice.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyawad. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.